How to fix links not working on Facebook. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to make sure that you are using the updated version. Once done, head over to Facebook, into your login credentials and log in into a specific account. Now move into Profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on the three horizontal line at the top left corner of the screen. Head over to Settings and Privacy, and then move into Settings. Now scroll down and in the section of Preferences, you need to head over to Media. And inside Media, scroll all the way down to the bottom and enable this option right here, Open in External Browser. This will help you to open up the link of Facebook. Now if you go back and head over to any of the link on Facebook, you will be able to open it easily, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.